How to set song as ringtone on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set any song as a ringtone on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. And now here in this section, just tap on ringtone, which can be seen at the top right side. And now here, once you are in this section, at the bottom right corner, you simply have to tap on my account. And now here, just tap on ringtones. And now here in this section, just tap on the plus icon, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here in this section, you can either tap on File Manager or Music. But here for this video, I'm going to simply select Music. And now here in this section, it will show you all the default music available on your devices. So here, to use your own song, just select any music that you want to add as a ringtone. And here, once you have selected it, just tap on OK. And once you do that, it will be added to your ringtone. Now here, you can simply tap on the song that you have selected before to set it as a custom ringtone. And here, once you have selected it, just tap on apply beside that song. And now here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just choose ringtone, and once you do that, it will be applied successfully as your ringtone. And that's it. That's how you can set any song as a ringtone on your Android phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.